Navasquez Shaleen Zaid, Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship, Outstanding Business Implementation Award.
Real Annalyn G, Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship, Outstanding Business Implementation Award.
De La Torre Clyde Errol A, Bachelor of Science in Disaster Resiliency and Management. He will receive Philippine Red Cross Davao del Norte Chapter Leadership and Service Award and Sagip Buhay Award.
Reyes John Carl, Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management. He'll receive the Mabuhay Excellence Award.
Rivera Michelle B, Bachelor of Science in Social Work, Outstanding Social Work Student Award.
Hagmok Rona Lee G, Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. And she is the Student Leader of the Year.
Halbuna Kenje, the President of the Union of Filipino Tourism Student, will receive Outstanding Organization Award.
For the Best in Research and/or Innovation Award for the capstone title, Cacao Check Disease Prediction for Cacao Pods using Machine Learning Techniques. The following are the Bachelor of Science in Information Technology students. Guzaram Kenneth,
Melendres Christian,
Planya Ayan Zordi,
Mama Jeffrey John,
and Julio Edward Glenn.
for the Best in Research and or Innovation for the capstone titled Fund Monitoring Management System for DOST Small Enterprise Technology Upgrading Program in the province of Davao del Norte. Students of Bachelor of Science in Information Systems will receive the award. Langamon Christine May,
Huamag Michael,
and Monera Rians Arthur.
another Best in Research and or Innovation Award with the research title Perceived Expertise and Academic Performance in Thermodynamics of STEM and Non-STEM Senior High School Graduates.